I just got a new delivery. It's a cell phone, and that's about all I know about it so far. I know it's made by Miro. From the research I could do, all I could figure out was it's called the Miro C1. We'll see if that's right. Miro C1. It has 50 megapixel rear camera, 50 megapixel selfie camera. Has a second camera that I don't know what it is. Let me unbox this on camera. It's black. My hair's in the camera. It doesn't necessarily say what processor it has, and I'm really curious to figure that out. So let's just pop this open. Comes in a little baggie. This is probably just a depth sensor or a macro camera. Nothing exciting. Nice peel. Comes with a screen protector that feels like shit, so I'm gonna take it off if it wants to come off. It wasn't the worst screen protector, but I'd much rather not have it on. Oh, it comes with a charging brick and a charging cable. No case, though. I thought it would come with a case, because the other Miro phone that I bought did come with a case. These phones are now being sold on Amazon, which that's pretty new. You used to only be able to buy these if you had government assistance, like a SNAP card or whatever. Let's see if it has any charge. Here it is. Same splash screen as the other one I looked at. I don't have a video of that one because I broke it. I used it as my daily phone for a few months, and the charge port came out. So reliability of these is a bit hit or miss, but this one's the most premium one that they have. Let's just boot this up. Feels a lot nicer in the hand than the other one that I got. It's much more expensive too. The other one was like $70, this one was $150. I'm hoping that it has like a Helio G99 in it. Let's go through the setup. I'm not gonna put this on a carrier. I'm gonna log into my Wi-Fi. There we go. So far, it seems pretty quick. This may take a few minutes. I just logged in with my email, and putting in my password, the vibration motor is more of just a noisemaker than actually vibrating the phone. It just buzzes. It doesn't actually, you can't feel it. So that's something that I noticed right away. The display looks really nice. Viewing angles are not the best, but let's just skip the pin actually. Set that up later. Let's see what this phone looks like straight out of setup. I don't know what wallpaper or anything it's gonna have. I don't want this. Let's see if I can disable it. No? Okay. It's gonna try and install apps on me, which I don't want it to do, but I'm gonna have to let it do that. unselect. I guess I can't unselect all of them. Can I please unselect it? Okay, we're gonna have Chime and Candy Crush. Don't need that. Probably gonna make us keep, oh, we don't have to keep that one. This is the real world test of this phone. I have work tomorrow at 4. I don't want any of these offers, please. Okay, it looks just like the other one that I had, and it's already installed apps on it that I don't want. The main thing I wanted to do was just get CPU-Z on here. All right, I'm back. I uninstalled the bloatware, most of it at least. This one I didn't uninstall. I can't uninstall that one. You can't uninstall TikTok either. But let's see what kind of processor this has in it. Or not. I don't know. I guess that doesn't work. Let's try it again, actually. Oh. Model T615. I don't know what this processor is, but it's a Unisoc. And this phone is pretty snappy. I don't know if it has a high refresh rate display. Let's see. It doesn't appear to, at least not on the box. Let's see, display. Screen refresh rate, 90 hertz. Let's go. This has 90 hertz display. I will install some more apps and do a full review of this phone if you're interested. I just wanted to unbox it, show you what that's like, and try and figure out what processor it has. I still don't know what that is exactly, but it seems to be performing quite well already. Bye!